Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market. Right there, that is the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract. Front month, we're looking at a last print of 935 essentially. So where's the market at today? Well, we're looking at our intraday dynamics. We see it's pretty bearish. Yesterday it was pretty bullish for most of the early session. As you can see, a lot of green bars, a lot of green just in general. But the bullishness really seemed to wane. Oh, we just got a buy signal right there. I wonder where that was. Oh, looks like it's right there. This is our new actually disc pad 10, where it trades 10 lots. We actually just took another position once it went in our favor, as you can see right there. Took a short setup at 38, and we just reached our profit target. Market have touched at 34.50. Fill at 34.75 right there for a nice gain of 1,625, 1,750 so far. Really looking for a continuation move lower. And what's interesting is the disc pad 10 is based off of this. So as you can see, we're fully bearish here. We went ahead and took some short exposure here right around the gap fill. Came back up to retest the low of the prior day session, that low of the early session of the prior day as well, and actually have broken back above that. So went ahead and took some more short exposure, considering the trend is lower. Went ahead and took some more short exposure right around, as you can see, right around 38. So just took advantage of the move back to retrace around 40, took it to 38 on the short position, and we just reached our secondary target. We're still short 10 contracts. This is, I believe, a $15,000 or $20,000 portfolio. This pad 10, $15,000 or $20,000 portfolio there. But back to the market. Sorry about that. So we are fully bearish, as you can see. Now we're targeting a move at least back to the low of the early session, which I believe was around 31.25 was the low. So we're at least going to get back to there, we expect. We're trying to hold the early session lows right around here, right around 34. But, as we can see, everything remains bearish for today, this Friday, June 12th. Fully bearish there, turning to bearish in this indicator right here. Bearish there, quadruple bearish threat with the lower trend. Definitely want to be playing the short side of the market. And as you can see, we've been playing the short side of the market right there, up 1750, 1875, taking advantage of this nice move. Still short 12 lots. Now we do have a lot to cover, so we're going to go ahead and switch over from here. So that's where the intraday is. We'll just actually scroll back and see some mixed pictures there, but generally overall bullish was the case there. Certainly bearish was the case there. Some nice red bars after the yellow and green. Bull trap essentially. Switching over to triple threat bearish there. Market just retested low and just went on lower to the downside there. Just looking at a few things. We're going to go ahead and move on to right here. Actually, we can just go ahead and minimize that. And there's our ES Day Trader 1.0. Wow. Got stopped out on a trailing stop this morning, but just putting up some amazing winners. Our ES Day Trader 1.0, this is one half of our Dual Day Trader ES, which actually we'll look at in a second. Actually, I can pull it up right there. Look at that, an astounding, just trading 4 units of the DDT ES at $20,000 makes you $17,850 over the last 13 days. Another 425 yesterday. There you see 425 yesterday. Nice long setup and then trailing out before the big move. That was the 11th, 611. And here's just the last trades over the last 13 days. No trade that day, no trade these 2 days. Just putting up impressive winners has been the Dual Day Trader ES, 89.25% for the Dual Day Trader. We actually have a special on this right now to go ahead and touch on. If you subscribe to just 3 units of this, you can save $500. So you can essentially get 3 units for $1,000 for 3 months. $1,000 for 3 months for 3 units. Now each unit has returned $4,462.50 over just the last 13 days. We can look at the Dual Day Trader ES right here over the last 13 days. We actually don't have it on the 66 day. We got it on about the 30 day, but that's how it's been performing. But anyway, back to the market. So there's part of the beautiful winners, just catching the holes of the move has been the case for the ES Day Trader 1.0. Switching over to look at the cash market real quick. Wow, just really getting painted into this wedge here. I mean, this is just absolutely stellar. 50% bearish was the case with question marks. Are we going to remain 50% full 50% bearish? We're actually fully bullish from for our official market timing bias, but once we get above there, it'll be all out bullish. Really just can't get above there, but the short-term measure of trend is really battling against the longer-term measure of trend there, and what you have here is 9 days of essential consolidation. Wow, just very impressive. We are definitely going to get a coiled. We're getting a coil, and it's going to explode. Short-term bullish, intermediate-term bullish. These are beginning to wane a little bit, as in momentum as well as in momentum, so it definitely should be an interesting case. Obviously, we want the bullish resolution to this and a break above 945 for a quick pop to 1000. Are we going to pull back to 900? Probably, given this resistance, but we'll wait and see wherever the market takes us. So we're pulling up here, and that won't come up. I don't know why. And we already looked at that. Okay, so this is our new Day Trader 5.0. Just we have 4 new day trading systems actually. Getting a couple of trades. Quick little stop out there. Day Trader 12.0. Nice little short there. Definitely could have taken advantage of a trailing stop. Countering it with a loss as well, and a nice gain for the Day Trader 13.0, and another nice gain for the Day Trader 14.0. So these are actually part of our new. Actually, you know what? You only get one with the Day Trader 5.0. So we're going to go ahead and look at that real quick. Astounding performance for Dual Day Trader ES, an amazing special for that. And here's our Map DTS 5.0. Actually, you get the ES Day Trader 14.0, and then you get our venerable ES Day Trader 1.0, the Grind Day Trader 5.0 for the Dow, putting up an amazing 638% return over the last 17 months with just a drawdown of 45.85%. So definitely containing the risk has been the case. Putting a new higher bar up. It's been a little choppy over this year. Amazing profits. Now remember, you think, oh, this chart's moving down. No, these are profits. These are the losses. These are profits using $26 per round turn for slippage and commission. There's your actual equity curve. Wow, very impressive has been the case over the last, and these are your drawdowns. These are your maximum drawdowns. So we have a drawdown, then we make money, but these are just representing the drawdowns. The average drawdown being about 10% of a $20,000 account. So that's MAP DTS version 5.0. Here's the MAP DTS version 3.0. Similar in nature, 854%. Now this is only a $15,000 account. 854% over the last 17 months. Maximum drawdown 65%. Average drawdown 15%. So you make the call. Which are you interested in? Slightly lower return, 650, 127 in cash for a $20,000 account, or 128 in cash for a $15,000 account with a little bit more risk. So you make the call. If you want less risk, you go with the $20,000 version of the MAP DTS 5.0. Well, how do I get involved? Well, you go to the website and you go to the home page. Actually, we'll pull that up, and we have these under our today's super deal. Now, if you enter promo code, you can actually refresh. There's the MAP DTS version 5.0. There's the MAP DTS version 3.0. So just refresh that. There's the Dual Day Trader ES right there under top sellers. So you can go in here, or you can just go in here, and we'll just add that to cart, MAP DTS. Oh, looks like we're having a problem with that. So you go to Dual Day Trader ES, we'll say, add to cart. We'll delete that. Enter promo code video DT. Oh, you've got to have 3 of those, isn't that right? Recalculate that. Boom, $1,500. Well, that should apply a $500 discount. $1,000 for the Dual Day Trader ES. Enter the same. We'll fix that promo code for the MAP DTS version 3.0. Enter video DTS. Video DTS. Save $500. It's all right there on the website, and we hope you guys have enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.